What's up, guys? Today we have this Ford Focus RS in this lovely blue color to review for you. As you can see there, the blue rims there, white wheels, Hot Wheels there, with the Ford Focus RS sketches all around it. I like the front because it shows the front. Back in 2007, they actually had these like cars where you on the paint on the side you could see the steering column and the seats. So when I first saw this car online on a different YouTube video, I thought that this looked like that. But after seeing it in person, now I do not think it is. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, I missed the siding of the house to get the card in. Okay, here's the Focus RS, guys. Let's look at the inside, the front of it. Windshield there, nice clear windshield, no coloring in it. Gray base, L20 base code. Ford Focus RS there. Hot Wheels, obviously. And then there's the E on the top. I don't know why it has the E. Okay, let's go over to the track and do the racing. 3, 2, 1, go!
Go!
3, 2, 1, go! Ooh, that was a pretty good one. Okay, guys, so final result was 11.1 meters. Not bad for the Ford Focus RS. Not the best either. Here's a look at it again with the white wheels. Those are probably my favorite part of the car, that and the color. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.